Ayaan was a curious and brave little boy who lived in a lush, colourful valley called Zaroon Valley. The valley was filled with vibrant trees, cheerful birds, and rolling green hills beneath a bright blue sky. Life there was peaceful, until one day, dark clouds of smoke began to rise over the distant forest. An emergency response lit up the skies. Two magical firefighter planes soared through the air, releasing water to stop the growing fire. But Ayaan sensed this wasn't just a natural fire. Something darker, something magical was behind it. He quickly jumped into his special flying vehicle, one that only responded to children with a pure heart. As he flew high over the valley, he saw the flames devouring the trees and smoke spiraling into the sky. With the help of the firefighter planes, the blaze was soon under control. But then, Ayaan noticed a strange glowing sign in the sky. Far beyond the hills, a dazzling futuristic city shimmered on the horizon. Towering skyscrapers touched the clouds, and sleek roads buzzed with flying cars and modern machines. There, Ayaan discovered a high-tech control center that monitored the world's natural beauty and sent alerts when something was in danger. Within the center, a warning blinked. A magical waterfall that gave life to a secret garden was losing its power. Its heart, a glowing crystal, had been stolen. Without it, the enchanted garden would wither away forever. Without hesitation, Ayaan set off toward the waterfall. When he arrived, he was awestruck. Colourful, dreamlike plants and trees surrounded the blue waters, and sparkling flowers danced in the breeze. But there was sadness in the air. The magic was fading. Ayaan began his search for the stolen heart. He journeyed through shifting cliffs, hidden caves, and mysterious ruins. He braved challenges, solved ancient puzzles, and followed the clues left by the enchanted forest itself. Finally, deep within a glowing crystal cave, Ayaan found the lost heart. He returned to the waterfall and gently placed the crystal in its rightful place. At once, light burst through the valley. The water sparkled again, the flowers bloomed brighter than ever, and the magical creatures of the garden rejoiced in silence. Ayaan was no longer just a child. He had become the Guardian of Zaroon Valley, and his magical flying craft waited, ready to carry him on his next great mission.
If you liked today's story, comment below and like too. Please subscribe our channel Cartoon Vids for upcoming new stories.